good day so far. I am headed to go pick up some Christmas toys for some clients that were donated. So we're dropping off Christmas toys today. That is exciting. And then I need to go to the chiropractor. And then what else I gotta do? I gotta go by the office. I just got a little bit of running around to do. So I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with me as much as possible. If you watched the vlog yesterday, from yesterday, you would have seen that like I was trying to find some last minute Christmas gifts for some people. Honey, that was a total fail. Did not work out at all. So I ended up just ordering everything on Amazon. Sorry, not sorry. It is what it is. So I got everything ordered. It says it should be here before Christmas. So hopefully that does work out, since that was definitely last minute. So yeah, I'm gonna try to take you guys along with me today on some errands I have to run. So I will be back. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am so sorry. I forgot to pick up the camera. Forgot about y'all for a hot second. So I got the Christmas gifts. I'm about to go deliver those. I went and got me another medium caramel frappe. I just really love those, especially during the winter time. I don't know why, especially since like they're cold. So I don't know what that's about, but traffic is ridiculous. I don't know if y'all can see this. I really just want to go home. Like, okay, why y'all didn't go? Y'all had the green light. Now y'all just letting all these people run this light? Oh gosh, y'all, I wish people just understood how much it takes for me to leave my house. Like, ooh, the lighting is terrible. But like, I'm a homebody. I'm a homebody. I love being at home. And just to like, to have to put on I'm gonna get real with y'all. To have to put on a bra and like get fully dressed and appropriate and leave my house is a lot, because it's just like, I don't want to go nowhere. I don't want to be around people. I like being at home. And it's like, I feel like COVID has kind of intensified my homebodiness. Like, I still love all my family and friends and stuff, and you know, I do. I still love everybody. It's just like, just to do stuff. But then when I get out and I like go to stuff and do stuff, I'm happy that I did it. So I mean, whatever, it is what it is. I'm just rambling, talking at this point. But I just came back to let y'all know I got me my medium caramel frappe. Got the gifts. Now I'm about to go to the office, and then I gotta deliver the gifts. And then my mom wants me to pick up this walker from Facebook Marketplace, so maybe I can show y'all that. We'll see. Oh man, I was supposed to go to the Marshalls over here. I forgot. I was gonna go to this Marshalls over here to see if they had the jeans, the size jeans that I needed for a Christmas gift. But it's already 3:30, and I was really trying to be home by 5, just because I'm not trying to be in traffic. But it's already traffic, so I mean, but it's over there, and I'm about to get on the highway, so it just is what it is at this point. So I'll be back, y'all. I'll be back. Oh, where's my food? Oh, my food is over there. Hey, y'all. So, y'all, I ain't shit, because I really ain't vlogging nothing all day. Today did not go as planned, but then again, when does it ever? We bought the 70-inch, and babe and my brother, they got up there, and I was taking the tape off around it because they didn't do that. And then this cord, I'll try to link it below, but it helps to hide the cords. And child, let me cut some light on. I'm a terrible vlogger. I'm sorry, y'all. It's one of the things you can get from Amazon. I'm gonna try to get a link and put it below. But you can hide your cords and stuff. And I had it taped up with command strips, I think, and it fell down. Plus, when they put the new TV up there and hooked it up and everything, that messed it up. So I hid them as best I could, so you only see that black cord and then just this white one. So I'm about to take the other piece of tape off of that up there. And then I got my dinner. We got we having, what is this? Chicken Alfredo, green beans and garlic toast. And then I got the rest of my little brownies. So why am I out of breath? Let me see where I can set y'all up so y'all can see me. Don't try this at home, folks. Y'all see me? I need to buy me a step stool. I'm so dadgum short, it don't make no sense. Oh. Okay. Oh, they did touch the TV. They got all kind of fingerprints on it. Oh. Baby said y'all didn't touch the TV, and y'all sure did. Y'all was a little dusty up here. Okay. Okay. So we got that done. I'm about to wash my hands because I kind of dusted that a little bit. Look at that. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to wipe that down real quick. I'm going to wash my hands first. I hate when I see these on TVs. Take the damn stick off, please. Like, shit. My husband, he's one of them. Honey, he do not care. He do not care. Okay. I jumped y'all. And then I ended the video. Wipe. Kind of dust this off some more. I'm thinking about doing a deep cleaning video with y'all. We got the filters in again, and it's time to change the filters and clean the outside of them and everything. But we're really not doing too much and nothing else, y'all. Babe is back there eating in his man cave. I'm about to probably cut a Christmas movie on Netflix or something, and then just chill out until we get into bed. But let me cut on so y'all can see the TV. I don't know what brands y'all prefer, but I do love a good Vizio. Let's see what I can cut on. I don't know if I have any other Vlogmas videos to watch. Let me see. Shy KBTV. If you know, you know. Okay, so it looks like, let me turn y'all. Are you okay back there? So it looks like we got Sparkle Marie and Ellie to watch, Amber Martin to watch, Chelsea to watch, Batty Twins to watch. So yeah, y'all, these is most of my we ain't even finna get into that, honey. All that drama. But yeah, these are most of the YouTubers that I watch. These are my top people. I hope y'all can see the top people I watch. So, and then I watch, honey, all of these people. Not most of them a lie. Y'all see the top ones that I watch. But yes, I am a YouTuber that watches YouTube, honey. Hello. Wow. Y'all, I am terrible. I done dropped y'all I don't know how many times, bruh. But anywho, let me go and close out this vlog, get it edited and uploaded. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'll be with my mama and we'll be doing some stuff and it should be more eventful. Yeah, if y'all don't watch the last vlog with me and my mama going around doing some stuff, go check it out. Okay, we be busy, we be in these streets. So anywho, I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.